Introducing the TYPHON TERROR XVIII Mini Excavator, a 4,000 lbs trench digger designed for small and medium construction projects. With its compact yet robust design, this mini excavator is engineered for easy maneuverability in various settings, including farms, gardens, public spaces, parks, orchards, and more. Let's delve into the outstanding features that make the TYPHON TERROR XVIII stand out. TYPHON TERROR XVIII Mini Excavator Key Features. 1. Compact and versatile design, specially engineered for small and medium projects, ensuring optimal performance in restricted spaces without compromising power. 2. Diverse applications, perfect for a wide range of tasks, including drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, small excavations, rock breaking, and landscaping. 3. High-performance Kubota engine. Features a small yet powerful Kubota D722 engine, a vertical water-cooled 3-cylinder 4-cycle IDI diesel engine with a capacity of 16.4 HP at 3,600 RPM, ensuring reliability and durability. 4. User-friendly design. Designed for easy maneuverability, even for first-time users, with a 300 mm wide bucket, platform ground clearance, and a versatile boom swing for smooth operation in various excavation tasks. 5. Comprehensive package. The Mini Excavator package includes 1X standard digging excavator bucket, 1X toolbox, 1X canopy, and 1X digital manual with detailed instructions for convenient operation. 6. Fuel and hydraulic tanks. Equipped with a 6L fuel tank and a 17L hydraulic oil tank for extended operational efficiency. Successful projects at a mini scale. Our mini excavator is engineered to excel in small and medium projects. With a 4,000 lbs capacity, 0.03 cbm wide bucket, and a versatile boom swing, the TYPHON TERROR XVIII performs reliably and maneuverably in various conditions. From gardens and farms to public spaces, it stands as a compact powerhouse for successful excavation endeavors. Additional features: digging depth and height, 2060 mm digging depth and 2580 mm digging height. Minimum swing radius, 17 and 11 meters. Engine cooling, outstanding resistance and durability with water cooling for the engine. Fuel and hydraulic tanks, 6L fuel tank and 17L hydraulic oil tank. The TYPHON TERROR XVIII Mini Excavator isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of excellence and efficiency in small-scale excavation. Choose reliability. Choose TYPHON TERROR XVIII for a new era in mini excavators. Elevate your projects with the compact and powerful TYPHON solution. Unleash excellence in every excavation task.